Bolognese sauce, known in Italian as ragu alla bolognese, is a meat-based sauce in Italian cuisine, typical of the city of Bologna. It is customarily used to dress tagliatelle al ragu and to prepare lasagna alla bolognese. Italian ragu alla bolognese is a slowly cooked meat-based sauce, and its preparation involves several techniques, including sweating, sautéing, and braising. For our authentic bolognese, you'll need 1 tablespoon olive oil, half a pound ground beef, a quarter pound pancetta diced, half an onion, chopped asterisk, 1 carrot, chopped, 1 celery stalk, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, half a cup red wine, 1 28-ounce can crushed tomatoes, half a cup milk, salt and pepper to taste, 1 pound pasta, tagliatelle or pappardelle recommended, freshly grated Parmesan cheese for serving. 1. Heat olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add ground beef and pancetta. Cook, breaking up meat with a spoon until browned. 2. Stir in onion, carrot and celery. Cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Add garlic. Cook for 1 minute more. 3. Pour in red wine, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom of the pot. Bring to a simmer and cook until wine is reduced by half. 4. Stir in crushed tomatoes. Reduce heat to low, cover and simmer for at least 1 hour, stirring occasionally. The longer it simmers, the more flavorful it will be. 5. After simmering, stir in milk and season with salt and pepper to taste. 6. While the sauce simmers, cook pasta according to package directions. Drain pasta, reserving some pasta water. 7. Add cooked pasta to the sauce and toss to coat. If needed, add a little pasta water to loosen the sauce. 8. Serve immediately with freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Dig in and savor the tender pasta, perfectly enveloped by the rich, meaty Bolognese sauce. Each bite is a comforting reminder of how simple, fresh ingredients can create something utterly unforgettable. Buon appetito!